Still lots of time left, 1:35. So the gold rims is the leader, the white rims right behind him, running the same body. Lots of time left. Joe's car looking really nice in there. Daniel's car a little faster. And it looks like Sean pulls it off. .3 of a second separating the top two cars here. Coming up to Sly. Sly lets him go, no problem with 1 minute to go. Daniel can't pull away from him yet. I gotta make sure I get this right with my finger here. 40 seconds to go. It's gonna be down to the line. Oh, side-by-side action. Oh, Joe gets the worst of that in the midfield. There's 30 seconds to go. Daniel. Yep, it's going to be one last lap after this, probably. This will be the last lap, guys. So Joe, and Joe got that perfect. Joe, his best lap on the race, on the last lap with 6 seconds to go. They might go for one more. It's going to be close. So we have a lead change. Oh, Daniel's all over him. Oh, he goes over the inside, left side. Now there's some change of position. They're coming on the right side. Daniel's slightly ahead. That was the best thing ever. So Joe takes that one.